Hello everyone and welcome to another exciting video tutorial brought to you by NetFuel. Today's date is Sunday, June 3rd. My name is Michael Harding and I'm the Chief Executive Officer. Today we'll be taking a look at how to install products into our Magento catalog. So the first thing you want to do is open up a browser and you want to have two windows open, one for the front end and a second for the back end. So we'll start by going over to the catalog tab and then clicking on manage categories. And if you haven't already done so, you want to first set up a few categories. So I'll create a first one by calling this men's. Hit yes for is active and I'll hit save. And then I just want to make sure that this category is placed under the default category. So now when I go over to the front end and I refresh the website, we see that the category now appears. If I click on this, we see that we don't have any products as of yet. So now what I want to do is go into the back end and scroll over to the Manage Products tab underneath Catalog. And then I want to click on Add Product. And attribute set, we'll keep that as default. Product type, in this drop down we have a few that I can select, but I'm going to stick with the simple product. We also have grouped product, configurable product, virtual, bundle, and downloadable. In this tutorial I won't be going over those, but most products that are added to Magento, such as merchandise, t-shirts, etc., you'll want to select the simple product type. So I'll go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so now I have this product that I want to add. Okay, I have a description here. I'm just going to copy this, paste that in there. We also have a short description. Okay, we have description and short description. A lot of websites, you will only need one of these boxes. So what I'm going to do is actually just get out of this, and I'm just going to go over to the attributes, manage attributes, and I'm going to look for short description, and I'm just going to call this, actually for this what I'll do is values required. I'll just say no, and I will apply this to the group products, and I'll hit save attribute. And I'll just go back to the manage products and click add product. We'll try this again. Simple product, continue. And now we see that we only have name and description. We don't have short description. Okay, so I'll go ahead and paste in our description. I'll give this a title. Just call it men's shirt. And for the SKU, I'll just put in the same name. For the weight, put in 0.1. Status, I want to enable it. Visibility, we'll keep that at catalog and search, and I'll hit save and continue edit. The next thing I want to do is add in a price, so we'll say $129.99. And tax class, taxable goods, and I'll hit save and continue edit. Okay, so basically what we want to do as we're filling in these products, we want to make sure that we cover all of the excuse me, all of the sections on the left column. So we have general, we have prices, meta information, images, recurring profile. We won't be using that for this one here. You might not even need that for your Magento website. Design as well, you don't need that. Gifts options, if it's a gift, you may want to look into that, but if not, you don't need to worry about that. So I'll just go back. Meta information, I'm actually going to skip this for now. There's a quicker way of filling in all this meta information instead of doing it individually like this. I won't be going over that in this tutorial, but I will cover that at a later date. So for now, I'm just going to go into the images, and I want to upload that shirt. And I'll just hit upload files. Okay, now that we have the image uploaded, I can hover over the image and we see it appear. You also want to make sure that all of these radio buttons are selected. Okay, if you don't select them, then we won't see any image on the front end. I'm just going to hit save and continue edit. Okay, like I said, we won't be covering these sections. I'm going to go into inventory. We have an infinity amount of shirts, so I don't need to put in the quantity. So I'll just go ahead and uncheck the use configuration settings. I'll just select no and then hit save and continue edit. That way I don't have to manage the inventory for this item. Next, I want to select the category, so I'll choose men's and save and continue edit. Okay, so now if we go over to the front end and I refresh this, we see that we have our men's shirt available. So I can go ahead and click on this. Okay, and we see the details below. Now, I want to give customers the option of selecting a size. So I'll just go back into the back end here. I'll just go over to the custom options tab and I'll click add new option and I'll put in size as the title and we'll make this a drop down and I'll put in small, medium, large, and XL. Okay, and I'll just save and continue edit. And if I refresh this, we see that the options are available. Okay, now if you're selling a shirt that has different patterns or different fabric, you can add another custom option. Just go in and hit add new option, and then you'll go through the same process as I went through for the size option. Okay, so that's another option for you. For here, I'm not going to cover that. I'm just going to save and continue edit, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so you know how to add a new category, you know how to add a new product, you know how to go through all of the various sections, and that's pretty much it, folks. Alright, so I want to thank you for watching. Be sure to check out more exciting video tutorials on our website at www.netfuel.ca. You can also visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/netdotca. Okay, thanks again for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.